Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete workflow of indoor floor plan generation using LiDAR360MLS. Open your mapping project, switch to the Building Drafting module, and click on the Floor Plan tool to get started. Step 1. Deep Learning Classification. Click the Deep Learning Classification tool, configure the parameters, and run the process. The system will automatically classify the point cloud using AI algorithms, identifying structural elements such as walls and floors. Step 2. Wall Extraction and Drawing. Click Auto Vectorization to slice the point cloud by elevation. Adjust parameters such as minimum wall length based on the actual scene, and choose to extract walls from a selected area or the entire dataset. Alternatively, walls can be drawn manually. During the process, geometric properties and spatial relationships are displayed in real time, enabling more precise control. Step 3. Doors and Windows. Add doors and windows based on the point cloud structure to further refine the floor plan details. Step 4. Annotation. Annotate key properties of the floor plan, including dimensions, area, and floor elevation. Step 5. Export. Generate and export a professional floor plan report with complete measurements and annotations. With this workflow, you can efficiently complete indoor floor plan generation from data processing to final output. Whether through automated extraction or detailed manual editing, LiDAR360MLS provides a reliable and efficient solution. LiDAR360MLS makes indoor mapping faster, smarter, and more efficient.